Hey guys. So welcome back to Fun with Mons. And today we are going to be looking at some hairstyles, some simple hairstyles to get on the road. Nothing in details or in depth or drastic for extra special occasions. Just simple 2 minute, 5 minute quick step hairstyles that you could do with Sisterlocks to go on the road. So, if you guys want to see these, don't forget to stick around. Also, please, guys, remember to subscribe, like, share, comment. I want this to be super interactive community. But yeah, if you like the hairstyles, let me know. If you don't like them, let me know. This is my hair now, and the condition of it is needs to be retightened. It's due to be retightened in May. I don't know when this video will be out yet, but let's start. All right, so I'm going to do one of my favorites, which is really simple. It's really just the top up. So I'll take out, or let me catch it first. So all I do is I'll catch up. I like to use, where are they? I like to use these in my hair. I'll link, if I can find them, I'll link them below. But I like to use these thin, really thin, I don't know what you call them. Some people call them scrunches, scooches, whatever, hair ties. But I use these. I don't use like elastic bands in my hair because, as I said, my hair is very trashy, so the elastic bands will get stuck and things like that. Although sometimes you can oil them and put them in, but I still don't do that. I prefer to use these. But I told you guys, most times my hair is out, or I just like do this to the side, like a side part, and then I have it like that most of the time, like a side part instead of a center part, right? But yeah, let's get into some styles. Style number one. Let's do this. All right, so thank you guys so much for the feedback so far about like your lock journeys. As I said, I'm fairly new to it, so I'm still learning. So I only put like a little. I don't put like half of the hair. I put like a quarter at the top, right? And then I push these to the side, quarter at the top, and then voila. Voila, that's it, right? We put that to the top, and then I take out like two on both sides, and that's it. So this is one of my, this, to be honest, I love this hairstyle. I don't do it often, but I like doing it. This is kind of my go-to. It's quick, it's simple. If you have like curling, you could curl these two also, but this is it. Pretty simple, right? Nothing over the top. So that's one. I hope you guys like this one. But for some people, they might just turn this into a bun. I don't really bun my hair much, so I don't know how this is gonna look. But you could also do like a top bun if you prefer. I don't really do the bun because my hair is crazy. But you could also do a bun, a top bun, if you prefer a bun up there, right? If you prefer a bun up there, it could be a neat bun, it could be a messy bun. I don't really do this style often, but it's another one. It's not bad. It can be done. Also, for these two things here, I call them like my brain because I always want something hanging. But if you don't like them, you could always do without, right? You don't have to put them in. But for me, I like my brain. It helps me to think and function, right? So this is another style that you can do. Classic ponytail, right? So for these, I don't double them. I just use it once. And of course, you have different types. You have the low ponytail, the high ponytail. So for me, I like to do the low one. I like to center part it and just carry it back. And one catch up. The reason why also I usually just let out my hair, I don't style it often, is because I don't like to pull it, right? I don't want to pull it too much. So most times I just let it out. But if I do a ponytail, it's like this. I don't know if you want to call it a ponytail, but I tend to bring it forward so you get the color, right? Or you could leave it at the back, whichever one is fine, right? But it's just a simple one. Good. If you want to, because of like the hair thickness, I don't like to do two, as I said, because I don't like to pull and tug at my hair. Because I told you guys my concerns about my front line. So, but if you do want to do a regular ponytail, you could do one here, right? I tend to do these when I know that my hair needs to be washed, because if I do the low one and my hair is on my back, it affects my skin, right? So a regular mid ponytail. For this one, I will double it, right? Because I want it to be. Oh, whew. Hold on, guys. The hair. All right, so it's a lot to hold in one hand, but let's try it again. There we go. So when you, this is killing me, guys. So one and two. As I said, I like these because they tend to stretch a lot. So there we go. So this would be like a regular ponytail, and this one, as you can see, is higher, so it's not on me. It's not leaning on me in any way. See, it's not on my neck. It's not on my back. Because sometimes, as I said, once my hair gets dirty, if it's on my skin, it starts to affect it. So I try to keep it off. So this works, right? And then you could also do this higher. And it's the same if you guys want to, I can't help it. You could take up two, right? That's another thing you could do. And these styles could also be done when you just had like a braid out, which I'll do in a separate video because I want to do like a wash video for you guys. So yeah, this is your ponytail. There's another one, super simple. For this one, you maybe want to use an elastic band or a hairpin, like a nice, cute, stylish hairpin. I'm still going to use this because these are what I brought down. Optional, right? But this one is to get, how do I usually do this? I'll take some from here, just here, maybe like 4, 5 from here, and maybe another few from here, right? I don't want them to get mixed up, so that's why I put it in my mouth. But I take a few from both sides. Then I bring them around, bring this through, and I just put like, as I said, you could use elastic, a hairpin, and just put it there. Right, and then pull your hair through so it looks neat. Right, this is another simple style. Again, as I say, these tend to look better for me with those, but optional. And even with this, you don't have to just take this side. You could take like the whole front, like all of this, right? It's like your hair headband. all of this, all of this, and just bring it around. Same style, but it gives you more like coverage, right? So either way works. Let me know if you like this one.